In the dry season on the African plain, this is a huge advantage, as they can move towards the rain and towards water, which is vital for survival. The large ears of bat-eared foxes and elephants give them their ability to amplify sound. But there's one rather singular animal who uses another part of its body to amplify sound. Because it's important to hear what's going on, communicating your message can be a matter of life and death. To make our case in point, we travel to the world's third largest island,